फाटल्या म्हयनोभर गोंयांत सुरू आशिल्ल्यो घडणुको पळयल्यार सरकारी यंत्रणांचेर प्रश्नचिन्नां उप्रासतात. सोमार सावन विधानसभा अधिवेशन सुरू जालें. राज्यपालाच्या अभिभाशणांत ज्वलंत मुद्द्यांचो उल्लेख जातलो म्हूण आस्त आशिल्ली. मात म्हत्वाच्या विशयांचेर राज्यपाल पुसापती अशोक गजपती राजून आडनदर केल्या. बर्ज अग्निकांड, लँड कन्वर्जेशन युनिटी मॉल चोरयो, दरोडो आनी अपघातांचो सादो उल्लेखूय केल्लो ना.
The creation of a new district is a notable step towards decentralization. Good governance and balanced regional development. Further, headquarters of different departments and related offices will stimulate economic growth by generating employment opportunities. The preparation of a vision document, Vikasit Goa 2037, is in the final stages of completion. I am confident that the targets are becoming our developed state will be achieved by 2037. I would like to mention that the law and order situation in Goa is under control. This is proved by the fact that Goa maintains a high crime detection rate of 87.72%. Cybercrime Center is being further strengthened with an AI-based investigative intelligence tool which helps officers trace identities using structured identifiers such as mobile numbers, UPI ID, PAN numbers. The Goa Road Safety Policy 2025 has been notified so as to reduce road accidents, strengthen enforcement mechanisms, and ensure the safety of all road users.
Bureau Report, Prudent.